Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another unit on the ground. This is a 2018 All-Com Stealth all aluminum 8.5 by 24 trailer. Does have some extra height in it and a removable fender. We'll take a look at that in a second. But amazing trailer for Jeeps, buggies, cars. So just a great all-around all-purpose trailer. It's also super lightweight because it does have the all aluminum frame as opposed to a steel frame, so you can cut your weight quite a bit. This one does have a smooth skin two-tone exterior, which you guys can see right here. You have a silver front with a black back and then the polished aluminum in between. Let me show you guys a better view of that. Smooth skin exterior, so no screws on the exterior. 250, 200-pound torsion spread axles with electric brakes. Spread axle gives you guys an optimal towing experience. It takes that weight and distributes it. And then with the torsions, you also have an independent suspension underneath the trailer. So as far as trailer towing goes, this is as good as it gets. You also have aluminum wheels with this unit. Nice big side door, does have a cam bar and the RV locks. You've got double lock protection on that side door as well. Heavy duty 6-inch all aluminum frame. You've got a nice diamond plate rock guard along the bottom and then the polished corners and a rounded front cap. I'm gonna come to this side so you guys can see. This one has the huge premium side escape door on it, so it gives you guys a huge opening for cars or Jeeps. And then we've got the removable interior fenders, so you guys don't have to worry about the lower profile vehicles, or if you've got a Jeep that's extra wide, you can pull in and drive over these tires and wheels and get that extra width to come in and out of here. So here's the premium escape door. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close. You also have a transition flap as well to help with that brake and angle coming into the trailer. Noodle Floor, we love our Noodle Floor. It's a very good quality, well-performing Noodle Floor. It's essentially a waterproof floor and almost indestructible. It's way stronger than what you will get with your standard rubber coin. You also have a already mounted matching spare tire and wheel right there. This one also has the really cool load lights. Give a better side angle of that for you guys. Rear canopy, and then you've got all your load lights right there. Then there's a toggle switch for that right here at this back door, so really conveniently located. You do have a 3-inch dovetail coming into the trailer, so it looks like we have a 7'6" interior height. We lose 6 inches with the rear door spring. We're gonna gain back 3 right here, so you'll have about a 7'3" rear door opening with this unit. 4 D-rings already in the floor. And then here's this removable fender. It's super simple. You just unscrew there, unscrew at the front, and it lifts right off. One-piece all aluminum roof, couple of overhead lights. Again, 7'6" interior height. Vinyl walls in this unit as well. 2 more D-rings up front. Backside of the RV lock, you guys can see has a lock-a-latch set of keys. There's your toggle switch for your interior lights. Another side vent right there, so you'll have a little bit of natural ventilation through the trailer with these 2 side vents the way they're set up. And here it is. Super nice trailer, very good quality, and gives you guys a ton of different uses with having all of these options in here with this escape door and the removable fender and the extra height. So if you guys are in the market for a new trailer, give us a call as always, 303-688-8485. Check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com. We do have a buy it now feature. If you guys love the trailer and you want to purchase it, you can buy it now right on the website, coloradotrailersinc.com. We also have reasonable shipping rates available for you guys. If you don't live near us, that's okay. We can help you with that as well, so you can call to inquire about that. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state. We are the #1 cargo trailer dealer in Colorado.